Good morning. This dryer lint vac attachment kit works fabulous. So just take the largest piece. It comes with 3 pieces. All of these. Just take the largest one, put it on the end of your vac, whatever kind you have. Then take this piece, fit it into here. Then take your longer, flat, corrugated piece, and it fits right into here. It's a little snug, but it goes right on. And works like a charm. Underneath of the dryer, underneath of the refrigerator. I give it a 10 on a scale of 1 to 5. And it comes with this handy, extremely long brush that you can use for under the dryer, the washing machine, the refrigerator, cobwebs, or inside of the dryer. Have a great day.